Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to add music to Instagram post on laptop. Firstly, go to Vid and sign up or log in and click create a new project and upload your video from your computer. Now click settings, choose size and select the Instagram format you want, square, portrait or story. Now in the sidebar, click audio. You can upload your own music, use a link, choose stock music, record a voiceover or use speech, text-to-speech or sound effects. Now once your audio is added, it appears below the video in the timeline. Click the track to adjust volume, speed and duration and replace the audio or even use clean audio to remove background noise. If you want to add visual elements like sound waves or progress bars via the Elements tab and add subtitles using Auto Subtitle under the Subtitle menu, you can manually edit for accuracy. Now click Export on the top right corner, then select Quality, then choose Instagram for recommended specs and tap Export again to download your video. Now upload the exported video to Instagram from your laptop or transfer it to your phone and add a caption and hashtags, then share it with your audience. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.